We came back from our little day trip in Dublin yesterday, so we're a little bit exhausted today.
Yeah, just a little bit.
So if the cakes go terribly wrong...
It's because we're not very good.
Yeah, no, because we're exhausted. Right?
That'll be your excuse.
It's because we're exhausted, okay? That is why they'll be rubbish. But they actually might not be rubbish.
Might not be.
No, might not be. Okay, so yeah, I have baked cakes before, but I follow a recipe. Oh shit!
What?
I've forgotten the little cake holders. Hang on a minute, I might have some old ones. I genuinely think I've forgotten
Welcome to our video. It's really well prepared.
Shit!
We've definitely not forgotten things. We have everything to make cakes. Nothing to put the cakes in.
I have muffin ones. Grab them.
We've got muffin ones.
Would that work? Oh, hang on.
Oh.
Alright.
Are we?
They're very old, past their sell-by date, but...
See? It's totally prepared. Knew we had these. We just put this in to add tension.
Cut that bit. We bought these yesterday.
Put it in to add tension to the video because everyone's going to be like, oh no, they forgot the cake holder things. And
yeah, that's what that was for.
We've got them.
Don't panic. We can make giant ones with muffin ones or mini ones. Thank God we had these. Anyway, as you can see, that's how this is going to be.
Yeah.
Rhyme was. Okay, I'll show you the ingredients that we bought and I'll show you the picture of the ones that I'm trying to make. What a freaking kitchen roll.
We've got no fucking kitchen roll.
Wouldn't it be handy to have a kitchen roll?
Yes.
Anyway, dug this out of the cupboard, so this should work. You know, I was going to wipe it with kitchen roll. Oh, God's sake.
It's going really well. We're not going to be on this morning cooking anytime soon.
Right.
It's going to go really, really well.
Okay, let's show you the ingredients that we have. I'm gonna need to take that off for Jim. Just. Okay. I think these are the things that we're going to need. Obviously these, which I knew about. We have some self-raising flour. We have some caster sugar. We have some silver spoon British icing sugar. I also bought some baking butter stuff, some eggs. I have a bowl. And I also bought some little, like, Christmassy themed decorations. Little snowflakes. You love these, don't you, Jim?
Hate them.
He doesn't like them, but they're going to make the cakes look pretty. Jim can just pick them off when he eats them, but they'll make them look nice. And then some weird little snowflakes, that's upside down. Snowflakes and snowman. Little edible Christmas cake decorations. Or not so edible to Jim.
They're so pointless.
They look pretty.
Yeah, but like, it's like I'll just stick a hat on it. Looks good. Looks good. You're not going to eat the hat.
So yeah, if it was down to Jim, these would not be very Christmassy themed cakes. They'd just be cakes.
They'd just be normal cakes that you can eat like a human being.
I've never actually used these. They're those things that mean you can like put the creamy stuff in and squirt it on top and make it look pretty rather than just like a dollop of cream.
Yeah, only the best here.
But you're supposed to, well, it does say you can use with or without one of these things on the end. Hopefully it'll be fine without. Let's look up a cake recipe.
Probably should have done this before. Cake,
fairy cake, cupcake recipe. I don't know which one to use. Mary berries?
This is where we show
Mary berries! I meant Mary. Sorry, what?
Jesus. Is this where we show all the products we have going, we've got all the stuff, and then we look up a recipe and then realise we've got nothing?
Yeah, probably.
Good.
BBC Food vanilla cupcakes. They'll be simple. Okay.
Probably got their own cooking show. But...
We need 110 grams of margarine.
Thrilling stuff.
We've got 250 grams here, it's absolutely fine.
That's too much.
Yeah, but it's good. We've got plenty. Good. Okay. 110 grams of caster sugar. We've got a caster sugar. 2 free-range eggs. We've got eggs. Ooh! We also have vanilla natural flavouring. So we need some of that. We have that. Self-raising flour. Yeah, we have that. Milk. We also have milk. It's in the fridge. And for the buttercream icing, which is what I'm going to be making, we need 140 grams of butter. That's just right. They know, you see. They know that you're going to need one whole one of those.
A whole one of those?
Yeah, because half of it goes, well, most of it, some of it goes in the first bit in the actual cakes, and some of it goes in the buttercream icing stuff.
Fair enough.
Icing sugar we have, milk have again, and a few drops of food colouring, but we don't need that because we're not going to colour it. Perfect. See? I knew what I was doing.
We did it.
Well, we haven't done it yet,
we didn't do it. We've got the recipe.
Okay, that's what we're going to make. They're going to look nothing like this. Ugh.
It's a German then. They will look nothing like this. Anyway,
let's get cracking. The eggs.
Awful.
Okay, Jim!
What?
Listen!
Keep moving it. I need to keep in frame.
I'm trying! What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get a good shot of this area. Listen, I don't know how to do this. Ah! Okay, wait, mid-Jim.
Mid-Jim. Hello, Mid-Jim.
Like, read me the plan. What do I need to do?
Doing it.
What do I need to do?
Preheat the oven at 180 degrees.
Done.
My
What next? You're a bit close to the screen.
You're a bit close to the screen.
Listen.
Cream the butter and sugar together in a bowl until pale.
How much butter, what sugar, what, where, when, why?
Beat the eggs into a little...
Hang on! Wait! I need to do the first thing first.
Doesn't say.
Yeah, it does, because you then go up there and refer to that and then you tell me what it says.
It's complicated.
Right, what do I need to do?
Cream the butter.
Wait, you've said how much butter, what am I doing?
140 grams.
140?
Yes.
Where did you read that from? The buttercream, even though we're making the first bit, which is 110 grams.
Well, there you go then. 110 grams. 110 grams.
Do you want to swap rolls right now? Yeah. Right, I'm going to go 110. It's quite handy. It has like a marker on here. It's roughly 110, I think. I'm not sure you should cut it like that. It's got little like markers on there, so it helps. Right, how much sugar?
110 grams.
Very, very old, ancient scales here. From the olden days.
Bowl. Bowl. Bowl.
Yes, Jim, I have the bowl. Caster sugar.
Yes.
God, I need kitchen roll.
Cast the sugar into the bowl.
Are we certain? Because I don't want to mess this up. 110 grams.
110%.
What I'm going to do is weigh the bowl to and then adjust it to 0, and then that way the bowl isn't included in the...
Yes.
See what I did there?
It's like a puzzle. Let me inspect it.
You inspect it.
No idea, probably.
Well, listen, I can't see it because it's in
your face.
It's in the way. Jim, these shots are going to be awful. What are you doing? We seem to have just chopped the butter up. Is that what you're supposed to do?
I don't think so.
I mean, my phone's don't get covered in that. Right. Oh, hang on. That's what's got the instructions on it. Okay, what's next? preheat the oven to 180, which we've done. Line a 12-hole muffin tin with paper cases. You didn't tell me to do that. But I'll do that in a minute. First. Cream the butter and sugar together in a bowl until pale. Is it pale? Oh, don't drop it.
I'm not dropping it. The sign that it's done is that it doesn't...
Okay. I don't think that's the thing, but okay. Beat in the eggs a little at a time and stir in the vanilla extract. Come on, fucking kitchen roll! Go!
Jesus.
How's it going, Jim?
It's going really well. I'm just doing a bit of cake stirring action.
This footage is not sped up. It's definitely not sped up. Jim is tired. I love these vanilla tasting cakes.
Vanilla cakes.
Imagine if I just dropped the whole thing in. Yeah, there's some medicine for your throat. Do you want some, Jim?
I don't think that'll work.
Imagine.
So number 7. 7 cakes.
It's not, it's going to make 12.
12 cakes.
I'd like more. Smiths.
I thought so.
No idea why.
You almost do that.
Baking Christmas cakes. Singing the Smiths.
Makes sense.
So I've multicoloured the baking tray with some little cake casey things. Oh no, this is the messy thing. Ugh.
Messy.
Oh, sugar. Well,
No,
flour. This is a large wooden spoon. Just has to be folded in. Ugh. And then I need milk, which is like behind the camera setup. Is it interesting consistency? Lift up the spoon. Yeah, that's nice.
Drip.
Yeah. That's good. Are you going to start eating that, Jim?
I'm a bit, yeah.
Here's a little bit. Just tidy the area.
Possible, I just ruined it.
Okay, what we're going to do now is just put this mixture into these little cake things. And Jim's just going to eat all that. Jim's eating the thing. I like doing it with little spoons. Oh my god, I haven't tasted that for a long time. Okay, we're halfway there, basically. All of the cakes, what should we chop these now? All of the cakes are ready to go into the oven.
Yeah.
That was really easy, that wasn't it, really?
It was, yeah.
So we put all them into the oven for... How long did it say?
100 minutes.
I think it's 10 minutes. So while we do that, we're going to make the buttercream sauce stuff. Buttercream
Sauce.
cream. Okay, I'm going to wash up very, very quickly. You can still put them in because they have to cool down before you top them with stuff anyway.
It's cool
Right.
for 10 minutes.
Cool, I'm going to do all the washing up, then we're going to make the buttercream sauce whilst the cakes are in the oven. Right, everyone's clean and tidy. Washing up is done. Right, I'm really tired now, my shoulders ache.
Oh.
Okay. The music's on loud, which means we cannot speak. The alarm's just gone off. They are ready.
Maybe.
Maybe. Or until golden brown. Until... It may need a little bit longer, let me see.
Yeah,
Yeah, just a touch longer. They're a little bit too pale. Okay, while we're just having a few more minutes in the oven, we are going to make the buttercream icing thingamajig. Beat the butter in a large bowl until soft, add half the icing sugar and beat until smooth. Half of the 280 gram. Yeah, and then add the other half with a bit of milk. Cool, sounds nice and simple. Pop it in. The whole of that, yeah. I'm just gonna like do what I did last time. It's a bit softer than last time, thank God. And then, can you get me a plastic bowl that's dry?
Okay.
I need to measure out. That's really like, you know what icing sugar's like. It poofs everywhere. I absolutely love buttercream icing.
Oh, it's the best.
It's so tasty.
So nice.
So bad for you, but it's so tasty. Brilliant.
Watch out, Jim. Don't be stupid and make sure it doesn't go everywhere.
Dirty job. I add the remainder of it with 1 tablespoon of milk, adding more milk if necessary. Presume you cut a thing in the end?
No, you just you keep it in, and then you kind of you put that on top of the cake. You fill it with icing, and then you kind of just pop it on for decoration.
So that's what the icing sugary stuff is looking like, the buttercream. And here are the cakes. This one, I'm not sure what's going on there. They look so tasty though, don't they?
Warm cake.
Jim wants to just eat them right now.
Yours. Tasty cakes.
Open it.
It's open.
No, it's not.
Now how else to open it?
Into a circle.
How?
Thank you.
That's incredibly messy.
Thank you, Jim. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to shout at you.
Well, you did.
Stop eating it.
Nope. It's on my thing, it's fine.
I'm joking, you can eat it. I've got one here that I really want to eat right now. Right. Give it to me. I have no idea what's happening right now. Yeah. Okay, film. Do you want to film this going in?
Yeah, let me fuck one up.
You fuck one up. There you go. Right.
Deadly weapons.
The screen.
One boggly eye.
Is this a Christmas face? It's got to be Christmas themed.
Oh, is it? Okay.
It's not the eyebrows, why?
Eye. Smiley face.
Because it's Christmas.
Because it's Christmas and the Christmas beard.
Um.
Lovely Christmas beard. There you go. Christmas face. Looks a bit like Bane, but Christmas face.
That is horrifying. Don't ask. Let's try a new method.
Sponge. Looks like an iced gem.
Fix this. Oh no.
What then? Very fixed.
Yeah, I don't really know how to fix that one.
Looks better than ever.
What do you think that'll do?
Yeah, I mean, fix that monstrosity.
Goodbye. It's not really fixed, but okay. What is that?
It's good.
Looks like it's snowed. Not really sure whether it'll work if I just go like this. Probably not. Okay, what else? What should I try? What about this? What are these like? Like it's snowed. And then we'll dash a bit of ice and sugar all over it as well. What about stars? Some balls.
Silver balls.
Excessively.
Very good.
They look like metal balls, don't they? Okay. Do you want to? Should we try some of these? Should we just place it like that?
Yeah, good.
And a little more snow.
Very good.
That's quite cool, isn't it? I think that's looking pretty decent.
Oh, this is going to go horribly wrong.
I don't think that is too bad, considering I've never really decorated Christmas cakes before. I really like that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that quite cool? Should we put some... Yeah, I've got loads of snowmen and all sorts. What's that?
Sheep. Is that a dinosaur with a necklace? What's that?
A dinosaur with a necklace?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we'll put that on one of them. Okay, let's go in there.
There you go. Oh, he looks like a turtle. Look,
That's all good.
That's horrifying.
Turtle cake! Jim's turn now.
Yeah. Bit of action. Bit of chefy goodness.
Okay.
Bit of that.
Is that sugar?
Yeah, probably.
I'll try it.
One snowflake. Good. One snowflake. Good. No snowflake is the same, but this is the exception to the rule. Because all snowflakes are the same.
What are you going to go for?
What are you gonna go
for?
Creepy looking snowman there. She's got an iron stuck to his head. Just gonna stick him.
Ooh.
Like pinball but with the cakes. It's like magnets.
Well, actually, yeah, I don't have to use all of those for these today because I'll just make some.
No, not. Jesus.
Because I'll make some more. That's nice. That's that's lovely.
There you go.
That's really pretty.
Christmas.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
That's a wrap.
It's a cake.
Right, there we go. Cake's made. Which one shall I have? That's a snowflake one. No, actually.
Nope, she changed her mind.
Ta-da! That was quite successful, I think.
Christmas cake.
And now we're going to find out what they actually taste like. Just watching whether he drops dead or something. Just making sure. Safe. Safe to eat.
I'll be buying that. It's nice. Still warm.
Oh my god, that's so nice. Okay, thank you for watching us make Christmas cakes.
The recipe will be in the link below.
It will. I'll show you which recipe we use. It's just the BBC one.
Yeah, you can make them better than us.
No, you can't. That was.
Oh no.
Hey, that was really good.
They're good. Just don't put shit snowmen on them because you'll eat them.
No, to be fair, I do agree with you. I do agree that like they don't always taste that nice.
Nope,
the decorations. Maybe because they're just cheap ones, maybe I could have bought really, really expensive Marks and Spencer's ones or something. Maybe they would have been nice.
No, just not bought any.
Okay, but then they would just not looked as good. So I wanted to make cakes that looked pretty for Christmas, okay? So that's what I did. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed watching this and would like to stick around and watch a few more madness things that I do. Madness, I don't know, just if you want to do that kind of thing. Ooh, I've got a funny video idea. We could make cakes.
Right.
And I'll stand here and you like use your hands. And I pretend that it's me making them. Well, it's obvious that it's not, but it's a fun idea. And I like instruct you what to do and you've got to do it, but you can't really see what you're doing.
Yeah, but you'll just shout at me.
We could do it the other way around. And then you'd have full control.
But you won't be able to do that. You're just like, right, just move out of the way, I'm going to do it myself.
Anyway, so we probably won't do that video idea. See you next time.